Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do texture hacks in Mario Kart Wii. So we're going to be using the ISO, which you have to have. We're going to be extracting the .szs files, and we're going to be swapping textures around and putting the .szs files back into the iOS, then burning it. So first of all, we're going to have to get the files we need for doing this. So we're going to head over to the internet, so we are, and we're going to go to Mega Upload. So the link's going to come up on the screen now. It's also going to be over to the right in the video description, so it is. So we all know how Mega Upload works. Just download the file, so we do here. And once you've downloaded the file, it's going to look something like this, so it is. And it has 3 files in it. It has the Wii Scrubber files, it has the SZS modifier, the newest version, and it also has the setup for IMG burn, so you can burn your discs easily. So one thing to note in Wii Scrubber is it also has an application called make key bin file, so it does. And what you have to do is you have to run this here application CD, which it doesn't seem to want to let me to do, but whenever you run it, it's going to ask you to enter 42, so you just enter 42 and hit generate, and I'll just make a .bin file, so it will, which will just make the application run, so make sure you do that. And also with the SZS modifier, it should automatically update itself, but it doesn't. Then you're going to have to go over to its coder's website. It's called Chadderz. I'll bring up the link on the screen now, and it'll also be over in the video description. So anyway, let's get on. First of all, we're going to use Wii Scrubber, so make sure you have that downloaded. I'm just going to open it up now, and so go ahead, open that up and load in your ISO file. So I've got mine right here. Now we're going to extract our .szs files. So we're going to go down here, we're going to scroll down to race, and we're going to go to course. We're going to get a big long list of courses and battles and a few demo things. So if you want to take one out, you're just going to go to it, you're going to right click on it, you're going to go to extract, then you just choose a place where you want it to go and hit save. So you do. I've already saved them all, so I'm not going to save it there. And then once we're done here, we're going to open up our SZS modifier, so we are, and we're going to go to File, Open, and as you can see, I've got a big list of ones I've extracted here, so you can just go for every one you want. I'm going to go for Bowser Castle, which is called Koopa Course. All their names, most of the names aren't very obvious, so you might have to figure them out by yourself, but as you can see, all the main textures are in the file called course/model.brres, and as you see, they're all names. They are thanks to the latest updates, so it's a lot easier to make out what they are. But if you can't make it out still, then you should just go to like a time trial and play it, and you can look at the textures and figure out what they are. So you see, this one's called Carpet, and we've got the carpet from Bowser Castle here. So we have, all you're going to do is you're going to double click on the top one, and then it's going to bring up the texture editor, and you can export in your own stuff here. You can import, or you can export out the file and you can import in your own, and you can just copy and paste other ones through them using edit. So you can just select all, copy, and then paste on another one, and you can even just pick up a color and start to paint yourself, so you can draw whatever you want or write your name, whatever you want to do, so you can. So once you've done that, you're going to hit save, but I don't want to save it, so I'm not going to hit save. So okay, once you've done that, you're just going to go to File, Save As, and you'll save it as whatever you want. So I'll just save it here as whatever.s. Make sure you save it as a .szs file, and just hit save, and go ahead with that. And then once you've saved that, you're going to go back to our Wii Scrubber, where we've still got this here open. You're going to find the course that you're replacing, and you're just going to go to the one, let's say we want to replace Block Battle here, so we just go to it and we hit replace, and we just choose the one we want to replace it with, but I don't want to replace it right now. So if you did, you just find it, you'd hit open, and then it'll reload the thing, and then you just do it again for the same one, for the one that says /D as well. You're going to have to do it for that one as well, so make sure they're both done, and then it'll automatically save onto your ISO, so you don't have to save anything. And then once you've done with that, you're just going to open up IMG burn, It's going to load, and you're going to go write image file to disk. Then you're just going to go to the little search icon. You're going to find your ISO file, open it up, and if you had a disk in right now, I would give you all the details of your disk, and when you're ready to go, you could verify if you wanted. That just checks at the end that everything's there, and you just hit burn, and it'll burn it straight to the disk. So it will. You have to make sure your Wii is on version 3.2 and you have backup loader, and if you don't have a mod chipped Wii, then the only DVDs you can use are DVD-R and DVD+R. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Keep watching the videos, more coming soon.